Welcome back, dear viewers. Today we have an exciting showdown for all the beauty enthusiasts and Dungeons and Dragons fans out there. Get ready for an epic clash between two nail polish giants. D&D Nail Polish and OPI, it's time to roll the dice and see which brand comes out on top. So grab your potions and prepare for a nail-tastic adventure as we compare D&D Nail Polish to OPI. Let's start with our first contender, DND Nail Polish. Developed by Daisy Nail Designs, this brand has gained a loyal following for its unique and innovative features. D&D stands for Daisy Nail Designs and also refers to the brand's signature gel polish combo, which includes a gel color and matching lacquer. With an array of enchanting shades and a reputation for long-lasting wear, D&D has become a formidable player in the nail polish realm. And now let's meet our challenger OPI, short for Odontorium Products Incorporation. OPI has been a leader in the nail industry for decades. Renowned for its high-quality formulas and trend-setting colors, OPI has captured the hearts of nail enthusiasts worldwide. From classic reds to cutting-edge textures, this brand has constantly set the bar high for nail lacquers. When it comes to the formula, D&D and OPI have their unique strengths. D&D Nail Polish boasts a gel-like formula that promises durability and a salon-like finish. Its two-step system, including the gel color and matching lacquer, ensures a flawless application and fantastic color payoff. On the other hand, OPI is celebrated for its smooth and easy-to-apply consistency with a vast range of formulas, including classic lacquers, infinite shine, and gel color. OPI caters to various preferences. Variety is the spice of life, and both D&D and OPI understand this well. D&D offers a vast selection of enchanting shades, from rich jewel tones to vibrant neons and everything in between. Their color range often takes inspiration from fantasy themes, making them a hit among D&D fans. On the other hand, OPI's shade library is equally impressive, showcasing timeless classics and trend-setting hues. Whether you're seeking a bold statement or a subtle elegance, OPI has something for everyone. Longevity and wear. As adventurers in the world of nail polish, longevity and wear are essential attributes. D&D Nail Polish, with its gel-like formula, boasts an impressive staying power that can endure the most epic quests without chipping or fading easily. Its matching lacquer also allows for easy touch-ups when needed. Meanwhile, OPI's various formulas offer different wear times. Classic lacquers generally last well, especially when paired with a quality top coat, while Infinite Shine and Gel Color promise extended wear that rivals that of gel manicures. Price and accessibility can influence our choices as consumers. D&D Nail Polish is often praised for its budget-friendly price point, making it a fantastic option for those seeking quality without breaking the bank. However, it's essential to note that D&D is predominantly available through professional beauty supply stores or online retailers. On the other hand, OPI, with its long-established presence, can be found in various retail outlets, salons, and online platforms. While OPI may come with a slightly higher price tag, its widespread availability makes it convenient for many. For many consumers, ethical values and cruelty-free practices play a significant role in their purchasing decisions. D&D Nail Polish proudly declares its cruelty-free status, providing peace of mind to animal-conscious buyers. On the other hand, OPI is also committed to being cruelty-free, ensuring that no furry friends are harmed in the process of creating their beautiful polishes. There you have it, folks. Thank you for all joining us today on this nail-tastic journey. Remember, no matter which brand you choose, your nails are a canvas to express your creativity and personality. Until next time, happy painting, and may your adventures, both in the world of beauty and Dungeons and Dragons, be nothing short of extraordinary.